Hello, in this video I shall show you how to check exam papers on computer with the help of Acrobat Reader DC. Okay, so before you start, you make sure that Acrobat Reader DC, this software is already installed in your system. After that you can proceed this step. Suppose this is my paper, exam paper. Let me open it. As I have already installed Acrobat Reader DC, so it will be opened in Acrobat Reader. Okay, now so this is the paper. Now to start checking this paper and give marks on this paper, let me first go to views. Okay, view, and then click on tools, and within tools you click here comment, then open. Okay, so a comment section will be opened. Now you see there are different controls here. Let me choose here pen. Okay, so if I choose pen, then I can give marks here with the help of this pen. So I am now clicking on my mouse and then giving a mark on this. Okay, so this answer is wrong, so let me give here 0. Okay, in this manner I have given the marks for this answer. And then on the next let me give here 1. So this is correct. So if I want to change my marking, I can choose here rubber. Okay, so if I choose rubber, then I can rub it with the help of this rubber. Okay, so in this manner I can give marks to the individual papers, and then after everything is finished, I have to save it. Okay, by clicking here I have to save it. Unless I save, the changes that I have done will not be persistent. Okay, so in this manner if I save it, then these markings are now permanent. Now if I now close it and then again open it, then you will see that these markings are there already. Okay, so in this manner I can you can give markings on papers and check your answer script. Okay, thank you.